everyone, Stevie here with Griot's Garage, and today I'm excited to go over all the variants of our mod detail brush heads. To detail every inch of your vehicle safely and effectively, you need different brush head shapes, sizes, and levels of aggressiveness. So let's walk through the lineup. Starting with our super soft, these flexible synthetic bristles are perfect for delicate tasks like removing grime from emblems, dusting sensitive trim, or applying dressings. Next, the soft. These genuine horsehair bristles make this ideal for gentle interior work, cleaning and conditioning leather, dry brushing debris, applying dressings, you name it. The medium steps things up with a semi-rigid boar's hair. This one is a workhorse for almost everything exterior. Great on paint, wheels, grimy door jambs, yet still gentle enough to add dressings to rubber seals and textured plastics. Now when you need real scrubbing power, grab the firm. These hybrid bristles tackle grills, engine bays, extra greased up wheels, and other tough areas that need muscle. And finally, the heavy duty. These rigid synthetic bristles are built for your dirtiest jobs, from tires and wheel wells to undercarriages and heavy degreasing. This brush is no joke. Each head connects to the ModLink threaded system and features an ergonomic double-shot rubber shroud that's non-slip and protects adjacent surfaces. Additionally, the included color application rings help you stay organized and prevent cross-contamination. Pro tip: choosing the right size is important. The standard is great for cleaning out tight areas with precision, and the XL options excel at covering larger surfaces quickly. So really, both are great to have in your arsenal. We hope you found this video helpful and plan to check out the rest of the Mod Brush system. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.